Welcome to the channel where we simplify big financial concepts and give you the tools to make smarter money moves. If you're tired of inflation eating away at your savings, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 essential financial rules to help you stay ahead of inflation and grow your wealth. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip to supercharge your strategy. Rule 1. Invest in inflation-beating assets. Cash in the bank is like ice. It melts over time. To beat inflation, you need assets that grow faster than inflation. Stocks, real estate, and commodities like gold are proven winners. Diversify your portfolio to stay one step ahead. Inflation might make things harder, but with the right investments, it can become an opportunity. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you minimize risk and increase your chances of outpacing rising prices. Keep an eye on global markets too. Emerging sectors and regions can offer inflation-resistant growth. Rule 2. Prioritize passive income streams. While your salary may not keep up with rising costs, passive income can. Focus on income-generating investments like dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or even digital assets. The key? Let your money work for you. Even when you sleep, passive income not only helps you keep up with inflation, but can also boost your lifestyle. By reinvesting the income you earn, you create a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth building. Over time, this compounding can turn small streams of income into significant financial assets. Rule 3. Keep an eye on interest rates. Interest rates and inflation are like dance partners. One often leads the other. When rates rise, borrowing costs go up. But so do opportunities for higher returns on savings accounts and bonds. Stay informed and adjust your strategy accordingly. By timing your investments with interest rate changes, you can secure better returns. Higher rates might make borrowing more expensive, but they can also provide a safe haven for your cash in interest-bearing assets. Rule 4. Cut back on lifestyle inflation. When incomes rise, so do temptations to spend more. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's a trap. Instead, increase your savings rate as your income grows, and avoid splurging on non-essentials. Your goal should be to grow your wealth faster than your spending habits. Resisting lifestyle inflation allows you to build a solid financial foundation, rather than being caught in a cycle of always needing more. Rule 5. Plan for the long term. Inflation is relentless, but so is compounding growth. Focus on long-term investments, like index funds or retirement accounts, that leverage time to outpace inflation. The earlier you start, the greater your financial cushion will be. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. Time is your greatest ally. Invest now and let the magic of compound growth work in your favor. Inflation doesn't have to be your enemy. Follow these 5 rules, and you'll turn the tide in your favor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For more smart financial strategies, your future self will thank you for taking action.